Well, hello everyone, and you are here with Lord Gifty himself. We have a linear equation in front of us, and we have to solve the things that they have asked us. Now, let's read it out before we start. If a line has an equation y is equal to 2x plus 6, find gradient slash slope. Now, some people might use the word gradient, while some syllabuses will use this word called slope. Right. Now, let's try to understand how to solve slope. You have to remember this equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. Some people will write b, c, whatever, depends on you. But the equation that we are given is y is equal to 2x plus 6. Now, y and x are variables. They will be like that. I cannot change them. Y will be there. X will be there. Let them be there. But if we compare these both the equations, we can actually see that m is actually, how much is m here? The value of m is 2. If you look at this equation very carefully, right? So m, the constant term multiplied by x with the x, is actually the m. And m is also known as the slope, or some people call it gradient. What is this c here? It's a constant. You can see the value of c here is 6. We'll get to that part later on. But we have solved m. M is 2. Let's move on to the next part. They say find y-intercept. Whenever they ask you to find y-intercept, so what you have to do is you have this equation y is equal to 2x plus 6 right now. You have to find out y-intercept. What you have to do is you have to replace, let x be 0, let x equal to 0. We have to replace the value of x to be 0. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by 0 plus 6, and y will be equal to 6 because 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So this is how you find out y-intercept. So you got the slope, you got the y-intercept, and it's time for finding out x-intercept. We have the equation y is equal to 2x plus 6. Again, when they ask you y-intercept, you make x 0. When they ask you x-intercept, you make the value of y be 0. So you can say let y be 0, or you can just write down straight away. So 0 equals, in that equation, 0, y is 0. So 0 is equal to 2x plus 6. The 6 will move to the other side. 2x is equal to negative 6. And x will be minus 6 divided by 2 will actually give you minus 3. So that is the x-intercept. Right. So this is how you find out gradient, x-intercept, and y-intercept. Right. The things to remember from this question is, please remember y is equal to mx plus b, or y is equal to mx plus c. It will help you out to solve the linear equations. Well, that should be pretty much it for the class today. Cheers!